Hey guys, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we have the BlendJet 2 portable blender with us. It feels so good to hold this product in my hand finally because it was not an easy journey. I'll share all the details at the end of this video. Now let's check out the product. Okay, so this is the box. You can see all the details here. Inside the box, we have the main device, USB-A to USB-C cable, a small guide. I'll take a photo of this and share it on the screen for you. I also got this recipe book for free, 50 BlendJet recipes. You can find different ones here. And I also ordered this jet setter insulated sleeve. I carry this all the time, more like a carry bag for the BlendJet. I got the black color version. They have plenty of other color options. You can easily pick your favorite ones. It is made of quality plastic material, both the base and the bottle, BPA free material. They have a leak proof cap. This blender doesn't weigh that much, more like a normal stainless steel water bottle weight, very much portable. You can easily keep it in your backpack or gym bag. I like how they kept this measurement thing here up to 450 ml, simple but I love it. They have a Type-C port for charging. It takes around 1.5 hours to charge this completely. You can charge this with your power bank or use your phone's charger. They have a purple kind of color when you charge it. For example, something like this. Purple kind of color while charging. This ring will become completely blue when it is fully charged. You can make around 15 blends which runs for about 20 seconds each when it is fully charged. When you are traveling, you can enable the travel lock by pressing this power button for 3 seconds. It will flash like this. Now if you accidentally try to press this button, it won't turn on. You have to press the same button again for 3 seconds to turn it off. That's all. Now let's see how this blender actually works. I put some grapes in this BlendJet. First I added some water and then I added the grapes along with some honey. You can replace it with sugar or anything you like. So now I just have to press this button. You can keep it like this. You can listen to the sound right now. I think it will run for about 20 seconds. You can see the whole process. You can blend it again and again till you get your required result. For example, if I want to have something more dilute, I'll just press again. That's all. I fast forward the video. We are now going to use some apple pieces. They are thicker and harder than grapes. So let's see how this goes. We have to add some liquid first. Apple pieces. And some honey. Now let's see if it works or not. Okay. I think it is doing a good job. I don't see any issues. It is blending properly. Because in my previous Xiaomi Mijia, the juicer blender, it was not able to do that much of a good job with apples or any hard substances. This motor is really powerful for its size because it can crush apple, carrot or any other hard substances. So it's really good. You can add milk instead of water, or you can add any other ingredients you like. So you can experiment a lot with this. That's all. It's so powerful and I really like this. BlendJet 2 also has this pulse mode through which you can use this as a food processor while cooking. To activate this, you have to double click the power button. Now you can simply press this. It will automatically go back to normal after 5 seconds of inactivity. That's all. This is not my first portable juicer blender. I already have the Xiaomi Mijia device with me. You can check the full review of this in the description below. It's pretty good, but to make the comparison short, BlendJet 2 is more powerful and more portable than this. The motor is so powerful it can easily crush odd substances like apple, carrot, nuts, etc. And they have a leak-proof screw cap, so thumbs up for that. The whole process is simple and straightforward, but I'll share some points here. First one, make sure these two arrows align properly. Make sure they are in proper alignment before you start to blend it. Second one, make sure you don't fill this completely, leave some gap here. Third one, I know this blender can crush most of the fruits and vegetables, but please make sure you cut them into small pieces to fit into this bottle easily. Fourth one, charge this fully because that will really come handy when you want to blend more and more according to your requirements. Fifth one, make sure you add some liquid first, like water or milk, before you start to add the rest of the fruits or vegetables. Okay, I guess it's time to share a small story. I ordered this product BlendJet 2 first on September 22, 2021 last year, but for some reasons I was not able to get this product. The tracking was not properly updated. I contacted BlendJet support and they were not able to figure out what's happening since this is a third-party issue. They cancelled my order and initiated a new one with advanced DHL tracking for free on October 25th. I finally got my BlendJet 2 on November 30th, I guess, but the problem is the jar got broken. I got something like this, a broken jar, and even the base was damaged, a minor damage. But that's not the only problem. Since I am from India, I had to pay the customs fee, which is around 3,282. I paid rupees 3,700 for this product and I paid almost the same price for Indian customs. I'm not shocked or anything because I know for a fact that this is what happens when you buy something abroad. But along with paying the customs, I got a broken BlendJet 2. I mean, the whole package was messed up. I really got annoyed by that, paying double the money and getting a damaged product thanks to the customs handling. I usually get products like this from someone coming to India from the US, but my wife was pregnant and I wanted to give this to her quickly. Okay, so I informed BlendJet about this broken jar and they asked me to send some photos and videos. I did that and they sent me a replacement jar for free. So just like that it happened and no custom charge for this. I finally got the old BlendJet 2 product in my hand, which works perfectly. Okay, we are nearing the end of this video. I'll share the pros and cons of this product. Pros first, I love the design, so many colors, just awesome. They have a powerful motor which can easily crush most of the fruits and vegetables. They have a wonderful support team. You can easily get the replacement parts from their website. If you lose your BlendJet's cap or if you broke your base or jar, you can easily get the replacement parts instead of buying a new BlendJet. That's it. If I want to mention the cons, there isn't many, but the BlendJet silver logo, this one, I hope you can see it. It got easily vanished, when I tried to wash the bottle. It used to be silver, now it's black. It's not that much of a big issue, but if I want to take a photograph of this or show it in the video, you can't really see the name right. So that's it. That's the only thing I can think of right now. That's all. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if you have any queries. Please subscribe if this video helped you. Have a great day.